loves, come along with me as I big chop my hair for the second time. Yes, you heard that correctly. We're going in for number 2. I stretch my hair a bit using my blow dryer, and of course I just want to give you all that 360 so you see exactly the state that my hair is currently in. To make this process easier, I'm using my white tooth comb, some clips, my hair shears, and a few boogies for sectioning. I'm sure some of you might be wondering, but why this girl cutting off she nice hair? Well, honestly, the simple answer is that my hair is bleach damaged. A few months ago, I would have visited a salon to color my hair, and everything went downhill from there. Like, even while I was there, my hair was over processed to say the least, and my curl pattern was ruined. Since then, my hair has just been super dry. And if you have natural hair, then you know that dealing with damaged hair requires a different level of patience and care. And ever since I went natural, my motto has always been health over length any day. So here we are. I knew I was going to do it, but then you know when you finally do something and it's like, oh my god. Yeah, that's how I felt. Honestly, I'm not going to explain the process because it's just simply just parting my hair into small sections and then I'm just cutting off. I am mainly trying to cut off the colored ends, so you will see a bit of it remaining, some of the red. However, I do plan on going back in and removing some a bit more, and then as my hair grows out, I will cut off some more. Over the last few months, I've been trying to hold on to my hair because, you know, cutting it off, you'll have this whole awkward length phase to deal with. And I don't know, I think we attach a lot of our worth to our hair and how long our hair is. That tends to sometimes define that, you know, how pretty you think you are, how acceptable you think you are in terms of society's beauty standards. And for me, I mean, and I've been trying to lie, that did have some part to play as well for me in terms of how long it took me to make this decision to cut off my hair. You know, I've been saying that I want to do it, but then just even thinking about the awkward length phase and having to deal with it, this was my thought process at the time, that, you know, I don't feel like if short hair suits me and all of that. And then it's like, I think we're a lot more than our hair, and I don't think that you should be defined by whatever is going on top of your head. So I just randomly got up and made the decision that today's the day, and here we are. The last time I went natural, I didn't really document the process as much as I would have wanted. I think for this one, for sure, I want to have a lot more fun with my short hair, as well as just not be so focused on, oh my gosh, when is it going to grow back and I need it to be long already. I honestly want to just experience it for what it is and experience my hair in all the different stages. So I hope that you stick around for the ride. Anyhow, let me stop rambling and leave you guys to see the rest of the process.
Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I I'm digging you. Make me believe that your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love, it goes on and on and on. Give me a really good feeling all day long. I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire.